Okay, let's have a look at the Euro US for the 27th of November. This is the long Thanksgiving weekend Friday session. I generally do not trade it. I kept an eye on the market. It did end up moving, but I prefer more volatility, and there were no US fundamentals or any fundamentals for the night, I think. Let's have a look here. First trigger is the double channel just prior to Frankfurt. As you can see, it did bounce, but didn't go anywhere aggressively. Up to you what you do in this scenario. Take profit through here would be my recommendation, but continued trading. There was only a 10 pip range in Frankfurt, so I decided to have the rest of the night off, which turned out to be a poor decision because the market did run. Okay, so let's work out where the market is going to. C-click. That was the high of the day. The market pulled back to here. So your expectation initially is a bounce there. So your first leg would be to take profit through there. If it broke that, then you're looking at the market bouncing somewhere in that zone through there. Now, as I've showed you before in analysis, you're waiting for a more sizable pullback. There's not much of a pullback in this, but your last channel was that. Okay, you can see through there that the market should bounce at that point. So if you're taking profit, that is the area to take profit in. Now, I think the overall projection was about there. The last channel was that. Then that would be a reasonable place for a reverse trade. So as it pulled off, put an entry order here. So that first leg, 17 pips. The next leg is 44 pips. So 61 pips, and the next trigger you're looking initially at the last channel. The market bounces here and pulls back to that value, so that is your take profit, which is another 18 pips, so 79 pips for the Friday session after Thanksgiving. Hopefully this is helpful. I'll come back and do Monday's session. I'll speak to you then.